This dance is called soul stirring. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, improve a level line dance with 1 tag and 2 restarts. Starting on the right foot, step the right to the side, step the left beside the right, step the right in place. Step the left to the side, step the right beside the left, step the left in place. Walk forward 3 steps, right, left, right, into a mambo quarter turn. So we rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, turn a quarter left as you step that left to the side. That set of steps once more then. Side close, close off on the right. 7, 8. Side close, close, side close, close. Walk, 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 mambo turn. Cross rock, right over left. Recover your weight on the left. Chassé to the right. Cross the left over the right, step the right to the side, into a left sailor step, behind side, side. That set of steps once more then, cross rock off on the right. 7, 8, cross rock, right chassé, cross side, sailor step. Let's add that to the top. Side close, close, off on the right. 7, 8, side, close and walk, 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 mambo turn, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, side, sailor step. Sway to the right, sway to the left. Cross rock right over left, recover your weight on the left. Step the right to the side. Cross the left over the right, step the right back, add on a back lock, left foot leading, back, lock, back. That set of steps once more then, sways off on the right. 7, 8, sway, sway, cross, rock, side, cross, back, back, lock, back. Let's add that to the top. Side close, close off on the right. 7, 8, side, close and walk, walk, walk. Mambo turn, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, side, sailor step. Sway, sway, cross, rock, side, cross, back, back, lock, back. Mambo half turn, but a back mambo. So we're going to rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, make a half a turn left as you step back on that right. Take a big step back on the left, drag the right beside the left on the and count, put the weight on that right, go forward, left, step, lock, step, lock, step. That set of steps once more then. Back mambo half, off on the right. 7, 8, mambo half, back, drag and step, lock, step. End of the dance when you get to that point. So let's put it all together. Side close, close off on the right. 7, 8, side, close and walk, 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 mambo turn, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, side, sailor step, sway, sway, cross, rock, side, cross, back, back, lock, back, mambo, half, back, drag and step, lock, step. So that is your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Side close, close off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. So hopefully you can get a feel for the timing. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Side close, close off on the right. 7, 8, side, close and walk, 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 mambo, turn, cross, rock, right chasse, cross, side, sailor, step, sway, sway, cross, rock, side, cross, back, back, lock, back, mambo, half, back, drag and step, lock, step, side, close and walk, 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 mambo, turn, cross, rock, right chasse, cross, side, sailor, step, sway, sway, cross, rock, side, cross, back, back, lock, back, back, mambo, half, back, drag and step, lock, step, side, close and walk, 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 mambo, turn, cross, rock, right chasse, cross, side, sailor, step, sway, sway, cross, rock, side, cross, back, back, lock, back, mambo, half, back, drag and step, lock, step. So that's your dance. Now there is 1 little tag and 2 restarts in this dance. So the first restart comes after the tag, but the tag and the restarts effectively come in the same place, which is after 12 and counts. So you'll have done your first cross rock, you start to go into that chasse, you do the side close, that's your restart point, and where you add on your tag. So the first one comes on wall 3. So wall 3 is your 6 o'clock wall. You'll actually be facing 3 o'clock when you come to add the tag. So you will have done your cross rock, side close. Your tag quite simply is 4 sways. So you'll just take that small step to the side on the right as you sway right, sway left, sway right, sway left. 4 sways, and then you restart the dance, side, close and side, close and. So that is your tag, 4 sways. Wall 3, 12 and counts. So let's take you up to that point, add the tag on, and restart wall 3. Side, close, close off on the right. 7, 8, side, close and walk, 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 mambo, turn, cross, rock, chasse, sway, 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 restart side, close and. So hopefully you can see where that tag comes in. So that chasse turns into a chasse, really. So your next one is on wall 7. Wall 7 is your 12 o'clock wall. You'll restart facing 9 o'clock. So let's just take you up to the restart point. No tag on this one, just restart. Side, close, close off on the right. 7, 8, side, close and walk, 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 mambo, turn, cross, rock, chasse, side, closer, side, closer. That's your restart point. So those are your tags and your restarts. So wall 3, 12 and counts. Add on your tag, 4 sways, restart. Wall 7, 12 and counts, restart. Otherwise, that's your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your tag and restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, six, seven, eight. Side, close that, side, close that, walk, walk, walk. Number 2, cross, rock, right, chasse, cross, side. Centre step, sway, sway, cross, rock, side, cross, back, rock, back, go, hop, back, drag, and step, lock, step. Side, close that, side, close that, walk, walk, walk. Number half, cross, rock, right, chasse, cross, side. Centre step, sway, sway, cross, rock, side, cross, back, round, walk, half, back, drag, and step, lock, step. Side, close that, tag, restart, wall. And then turn, cross, rock, sways, restart, walk, 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 and then turn, cross, rock, right chasse, cross, side, same step, sway, sway, cross, rock, side, cross, back, round, low, half, back, drag and step, rock, step, side, close, walk, 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 and then turn, cross, rock, right chasse, cross, side. Same step, sway, sway, cross, rock, side, cross, back, round, half, back, drag and step, rock, step, side, close, cross, rock, sway, side, should restart wall. Cross, rock, chasse, and start. Cross, rock, chasse, sways, mellow, hope you managed that one.